Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Demetrius.
And Riley.
Bringing you your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today is Thursday, March 24th, 2016 B-Day. Today in history, in 1989, the supertanker Exxon Valdez ran underground in Alaska, leaking an estimate 11 million gallons of oil.
And in 1603, Queen Elizabeth I died. Now please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated.
Today's math problem is, explain the process of how to evaluate the expression 9 plus 2 times 4x minus 6 when x is 9. Be sure to let your math teacher know. Wow. I read it.
Read this part too.
Translate the verbal phrase into an algebraic expression, then evaluate if x equals 5. 12 more than the product of 6 and x. Be sure to let your math teacher know if you can solve it.
Now here's Rachel with today's weather.
It was 49 degrees this morning. It will be partly cloudy today and reach a high of 73 degrees. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now for the sports report. The men's Maryland Terps team will be playing the number 1 seed team, Kansas, tonight in the NCAA tournament. It will be a late tip-off at 9:20 p.m. Now back to you, Riley and Demetrius.
I jinxed this. Oh well. Thank you, Rachel. Now for the word of the day. Today our word is tact. Two women showed great tact when both appeared at the party with the identical dresses. Can you determine what tact means? Once again, today's word of the day is tact. Oh, here we go. Hey DMS students, do you want to help your neighbors have a better environment? If so, help. All you need to do is go around your neighborhood with your neighbors and clean up for 15 minutes. Then you go onto the website, which is on all the flyers all around the school, to record your work that you have done. Also, the school could win $4,000 for cleaning up more than any other school. Also, you can win service learning hours. If you don't know what service learning hours are, they can help you get into a great high school and college.
Students, remember the Pick Out on Books is going on until April 25th. Keep reading and filling out the forms. Mark Stream Night down on your calendar for April 13th. Please let Miss Murphy know in the main office if you can attend. All students attending must be accompanied by a parent or guardian. You'll be able to build your own boat and race it along with having a fabulous dinner consisting of chicken parmesan, lasagna, chicken fingers, garlic knots, Mediterranean pasta, garden salad, and dessert.
Remember that your AVID applications must be turned in by the end of the day today.
Here's a message from our recycling crew.
Hi everybody, this is Destiny to tell you that today is Recycling Day. The recycling crew will be around after the 7th grade lunch to collect your recycling cans. So teachers, please place your cans in the hallway. Students, don't forget to recycle your cans, bottles, and papers. Thank you and have a great day.
Recycling crew dismissed.
Oh.
Attention track team, we will have no practice today after school. Please train on your own.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Riley with a few words of wisdom. This Sunday, Christians around the globe will celebrate the resurrection of Jesus Christ. According to the New Testament, Jesus was crucified on the eve of Passover and rose from the dead 3 days later. There's an old Christian legend that says that the sun jumps for joy on Easter morning. Perhaps that's why Christians around the globe gather for sunrise worship services on Easter Sunday. They come together to share their Easter joy with friends and loved ones. Have you ever noticed how we human beings love and share happy occasions? We find lots of reasons to gather for celebrations. Mark Twain says, to get a full value of joy, you must have someone to divide it with. During this upcoming holiday weekend, regardless of your religion or faith, get a full value of any joy that comes your way and find someone to share it with. With something to think about, this is Riley. Make it a great day, or not, the choice is yours. Now here's Ms. Turnock.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This message is especially for our young ladies. I understand that spring has sprung, but we need to keep ourselves a little more covered. We do not expect you to have shorts all the way down to the fingertips. We know that's not realistic, but we don't want to see a bunch of stuff hanging out either. You also need to have your shoulders covered up. If you wear a tank top, you must have some type of sweater or jacket to put over top of that. No tank top showing any kind of bra straps. Girls, let's keep it classy.
Morning, Team DMS. As we approach spring break, this is a reminder, this is week 9 of the third quarter. When we come back from spring break on Monday, April 4th, it's important to note that it will be the last week of the third quarter. Students, please take some time today to review your progress on BCPS 1 and see what you can still turn in. Use those AL days that we have, the special AL day that we're having today, to make sure missing work is turned in, makeup work is turned in. Partial credit is better than no credit. And again, as your teachers are closing out the quarters, they will take all of your work into consideration. So it's really important that you put forth the best effort. My goal is for 100% of the students in each grade level to earn honor roll. But again, if we don't attain 100% and we can hit at least 50%, I would be very proud of all of your hard work. I heard our Kahoot activity was great yesterday for one of our grade levels, and we will do our other Kahoot Super Fun Day when we come back. Again, very excited for our volleyball games today. I'm coming out of volleyball retirement. Mr. Van Derchen is guaranteeing victory against Mr. King and myself, and we're here to say we're going to keep it SR squared, but probably not there's going to be a slim chance that Mr. Van Derchen will be able to win, because we'll make sure we're going to take it to him in an SR squared manner. What I also would like to just share, I want everyone to have a wonderful spring break and take time with your family and friends. And also, keep in mind, students, the expectation is, even at, not just here but at home, bring your A game everywhere you go. Demonstrate excellent attendance, demonstrate a positive attitude, and always apply yourself. And as part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to be a globally competitive graduate. You can do it. Thank you.
Here's a message from Miss Nugent.
That wasn't that loud. It's the day! March Madness! Yay! We made it! So, I know you're so excited about it. So here's what's going to happen. If you have been coming to school every single day, or you missed one day, because we know nobody's perfect. So if you have above 95% attendance, you will get to come and watch the faculty volleyball games today. So you don't have to worry about anything. We got it all taken care of. 7th graders, after lunch, I will be in the cafeteria. I will call names of the students that are going to be in their OWL day activities and make up the work that they missed when they were absent. So listen for your name. The other 7th graders that are going to be watching the volleyball game will be going to the gym and watching their teachers play. And as Mr. Bear said, it's going to be a pretty good game. 8th graders, you will do the same thing. You'll be dismissed from lunch. 6th grade, you already have your special colored schedules. If your name is at the top of the schedule and there's a location for UMAD 10, that's where you will go for your OWL day activities. Now, I have a couple reminders for students. You need to demonstrate very good sportsmanship. You will be watching the games, and whoever has demonstrated good sportsmanship will be called up for a chance to win prizes. So if you are sitting nice and quiet, well, you can cheer when it's appropriate, and you can always be positive for your team. Remember, there's no food in the gym, never, ever, 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 no food in the gym. There is no cell phones being used during this time. We might see Miss Sable coming around taking pictures for yearbook, but that's a separate thing. Make sure you smile pretty for the pictures. But no cell phones. If I see it, I will find you. And the last thing that I want to say is always be encouraging, and remember personal space. So if there's a person that's sitting next to you that you think that might not be a good idea, then maybe we can find you another seat. This is an incentive for attendance. So you should be demonstrating good behavior at all times. And remember, this is something that your teachers have put together special for you. So I will see you later this afternoon. Bye for now.
This is Demetrius.
And Riley. Have a totally tubular Thursday.
And have a super spring break.
And we will see you on school.
Monday.
At school, not on school, but
At
hopefully
school.
at school Monday, April 14th. Fourth. Not 14th, 4th.
I swear.
Okay.
That was great.